Hello friends, Sam here. So today I will be taking one question. The question is this one. Is Tibco an open source product? You might heard about Tibco. Tibco is a US based company. They are global leaders in integration area primarily. But okay, so I know that what is Tibco, but is it an open source product? Big no, not at all. It is an enterprise licensed product. Does that mean you will not able to get chance to evaluate that? Of course, whenever any client want to use that, or if any commercial use has to be there, then definitely they have to buy license from Tibco and all. It is license enterprise product. It is not at all open source product, friends. Okay, so big no for that. No, it is not open source. So in case if somebody want to evaluate Tibco, somebody want to play around with Tibco products and all, Tibco has wide range of products by the way, then definitely Tibco has a way out for that. If your company is partner of Tibco, in one of the other video also I brief you about that. Go to edelivery.tibco.com and you will able to play around with Tibco softwares as a part of your partner agreement. But if you as an individual want to play around with that, then you need to get into tap.tibco.com. Go there, play around, and you will able to download and play around with the product for 90 days. So all latest products are available over there. Okay, so I hope this is clarified that it is not an open source product, but still you can play around that as a part of your learning. So thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye bye.